Woo! The ultimate modular water scooter. It's huge. Hi everyone, my name is Mackoy of Mackoy Vlogs. I'm a certified freediver coach and I've been freediving for almost 2 years now. A couple of months ago, a brand name called LEFEET contacted me and asked me to do a product review of one of their newest underwater scooters. You heard it right, underwater scooter. Like, what's that? You probably have that reaction if it's the first time you hear about underwater scooter. But for those of you who don't know, underwater scooter is actually being used by some photographers, videographers, and actually even some marine biologists in exploring more our underwater world. And for me, as a coach, according to the brand, this would improve my teaching as well as my diving experience as well. So I am so excited to use it. But before you moved on, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel just so you won't miss any of my newest uploads. I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Guys, we now have the box or the package we receive from FedEx. It's actually straight coming from LEFEET, the brand itself. As you can see, it's kind of messy, so every time you receive a package, just make sure to sanitize it, of course, for your protection. And I'm actually not sure if we can use a knife, so I bring a pair of scissors with me. Makeup. It's not a makeup, so yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and start. Ooh. Okay. Woo! Shook, yeah. Sanitize this again. Woo. Oh, gonna remove the plastic. I think we can open it here. I'm so happy. You can't imagine how happy I am opening this box. Woo! Our scissors. You have here the brand name and the unit itself. Yeah, the box looks really elegant. I like it. I have the small logo in here. See? We also have the LEFEET website on the top. The ultimate modular water scooter. That's what's written at the back. Let's open it. Woo! Pinagpapawisan ako. Let's see. Uy. Oh! Cute. I think we have all the parts of the scooter. Yeah, we'll discuss that later. But upon opening it, you'll see this paper. Let's open it first. Ooh, there are a couple of stickers. Oh, cool. Of course, the brand, the logo of LEFEET. See? What's this? I think it's the O-ring. I, of course, made a few reviews about it, and I think this is the O-ring. Yeah. I remember something. Yeah, it's the O-ring, guys. Quality certificate. That's what's written here. It says hello. Hello, guys. I think it's the manual. Yeah, see? LEFEET S1 Pro Water Scooter User Manual. Okay, like this. Oh, wow! Oh, arte. But yeah, cool. It looks bigger than I expected. Medyo dark siya. So, tanggalin natin paano. So guys, this is the main gear. Medyo kasing laki siya ng braso natin. Okay, we have here the main gear with the propellers and all. It's huge. I think this is the start button right here on the top. Cool. I like it. Should I remove this? This one? I think we can use it later, but yeah. Let's keep it that way then. Oh, okay. We have here the parts of the other parts of the manual or of the main unit. Let's gonna put this here. We have first the battery. It's really huge. It's really heavy. Capacity is 4,400 milliamperes. You also have here the handle. Have one handle, and of course we have the remote control with the handle itself. Let's keep it here. And we have the charger. Have here the main unit charger, the main unit bracket, if I'm not mistaken, with the logo at the center, cords and screws inside. We have here some adapter. We have the loss prevention strap, or LPS. I'm gonna open this one later. Let's see if there's anything inside. Okay, that's everything. Let's go ahead and check one by one. So this is how it looks like. We're going to assemble it this way. First step, take out the two handles, handle knob and handle bracket. This is the handle knob, and then we have the handle bracket. Here it is. Oh my god, how can I remove it? I'm not sure if I'm doing the right way.
A few moments later.
Oh great, finally we have the first handle. I'm gonna remove this one, but how? Hindi ko siya ma-figure out. Giatay. Hindi ko matanggal talaga, B. Mali pala yung ginagawa ko kanina pa. Pinagpawisan po tayo, mga kaibigan. So, kailangan daw siyang i-press.
A few inches later.
So, you need to... Yes! Yes! That's it! Oh my god! The trigger is supposed to face front. Okay, then let's put the handle. Oh my god. Gusto mo yon? Gusto ko yan. Insert the handle knob into the left side hole of handle bracket. Screw tightly with another handle. We're done with that. I should have read the instruction first before doing it. That's it. Like this. Tama ba ito? Okay. Woo! So you have the screw here. Let's see. I think this one is a screwdriver. Oh, okay. I see. I even actually completed it prior reading the manual. So let's keep reading the manual first. Let's not be too excited. Now let's move on to the battery. What's this? Oh, okay. What's this on the top? We should... Oh, okay. It easily opens. Okay, and we need to connect the battery right here. So kailangan align siya. Positive and then negative. Let's put it inside. Okay, make sure it's parallel, just like this. Just make sure they match, like this one. So lagay na natin. Then press. So here's our charger. Of course, we need to connect the adapter here. See, it's like this. Ayan na nga, so we can charge it. Okay. Hindi siya umabot. Parang relasyon nyo. When the remote control is fully charged, the light will turn green. The charging time is about 1.5 hours. Make sure the remote control is turned off before charging. Did we turn it on? Guys, we now have our LEFEET S1 Pro fully assembled. This is how it looks like. So to make sure that we'll be able to maximize our LEFEET S1 Pro, we need to know its specifications. But before that, of course, let's go ahead and turn it on by simply pressing this button down. Press it for at least 2 seconds, and when it lightened up like that, it means your main unit is already working. Now, you need to switch on your remote control. Press it for at least 2 seconds. And that battery light turns green, which means your remote control is already working. The three lights here indicates the speed mode of your main unit. We are currently on the low speed mode. To adjust the speed, all you have to do is press this on the right real quick. Now we are on the medium speed mode of your main unit. Once again, press it to the right. We are now on the fastest mode or high speed mode of your LEFEET S1 Pro. So just make sure that it's not locked by simply pressing this red button. When you hear that sound, your remote control can be used. To use it, press the trigger and you'll hear that sound. To stop it, just release the trigger. It would immediately stop the unit. Anyway, that sound is so satisfying. If you guys are aware about the previous unit that LEFEET launched, this unit is actually way better than what they've launched before. Simply because it's 5% smaller than the previous one, and it's also 14% faster than the S1 unit. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, once again, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you wanted to purchase this LEFEET S1 Pro underwater scooter, I will put the link on the description of this video. I will also be uploading another video featuring this underwater scooter in one of the best places here in the Philippines, so stay tuned. Once again, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs. Stay safe and dive soon.